Effective service delivery process. Effective service delivery involves a well-structured and organized process to ensure that services are delivered to customers or clients in a consistent, efficient, and satisfactory manner. Below, I'll outline a detailed service delivery process. Service strategy and planning. 1. Identify the target market and customer segments for the service. 2. Define the objectives and goals of the service delivery process. 3. Develop a comprehensive service strategy that aligns with the organization's overall goals and customer expectations. 4. Plan the resources, budget, and timelines required for service delivery. Service design. 1. Define the scope of the service, including the specific features, functionalities, and deliverables. 2. Design the service process flow, outlining the steps involved from initiation to completion. 3. Create service-level agreements, SLAs, that define the quality, response times, and other performance metrics. 4. Design the user interface and experience, if applicable. Resource allocation. 1. Allocate the necessary human, technological, and financial resources to support the service delivery process. 2. Identify and assign roles and responsibilities to individuals or teams involved in the process. 3. Ensure that employees or service providers are adequately trained to deliver the service. Service implementation. 1. Initiate the service delivery process according to the predefined process flow. 2. Ensure proper communication and coordination among different teams or departments involved in the process. 3. Use appropriate tools and technology to facilitate the execution of the service. Quality assurance. 1. Establish quality control measures to monitor and assess the service delivery process. 2. Conduct regular audits, checks, and reviews to ensure compliance with established standards. 3. Collect customer feedback and analyze it to identify areas for improvement. Customer engagement. 1. Provide clear communication channels for customers to interact with the service provider. 2. Address customer inquiries, concerns, and feedback promptly and professionally. 3. Maintain a positive and personalized interaction with customers to enhance their experience. Performance measurement and analysis. 1. Continuously monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, related to service delivery, such as response time, completion time, customer satisfaction, and more. 2. Analyze data and metrics to identify trends, patterns, and areas of improvement. 3. Use data-driven insights to make informed decisions about optimizing the service delivery process. Continuous improvement. 1. Implement necessary changes based on the analysis of performance metrics and customer feedback. 2. Regularly update and refine the service delivery process to adapt to changing customer needs and market dynamics. 3. Encourage a culture of continuous learning and improvement among employees involved in service delivery. Documentation and reporting. 1. Maintain detailed records of the service delivery process, including interactions, outcomes, and any issues encountered. 2. Generate regular reports to provide insights to stakeholders about the efficiency and effectiveness of the service delivery process. Feedback loop. 1. Seek feedback from employees, customers, and stakeholders to identify opportunities for enhancement. 2. Use feedback to refine the service delivery process and implement changes accordingly. By following a comprehensive service delivery process like the one outlined above, organizations can ensure that their services are consistently delivered to customers with high quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Designing and managing service process in detail. Designing and managing a service process requires careful planning, coordination, and optimization to ensure that the service is delivered effectively and efficiently. Below, I'll provide a detailed overview of the steps involved in designing and managing a service process. 1. Understand customer needs. 1. Identify the target audience and their specific needs, preferences, and pain points. 2. Conduct market research and gather customer feedback to gain insights into what customers expect from the service. 2. Define service objectives. 1. Clearly outline the goals and objectives of the service process. 1. What do you aim to achieve with this service? 2. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, that will be used to measure the success of the service process. 3. Map the service process. 1. Create a detailed process map that outlines all the steps involved in delivering the service. 2. Identify touch points where customers interact with the service and potential areas for improvement. 4. Establish service standards and SLAs. 1. Define service level agreements, SLAs, that specify response times, turnaround times, and quality standards. 2. Establish clear expectations for both customers and service providers. 5. Allocate resources. 1. Determine the human, technological, and financial resources required for each stage of the service process. 2. Assign roles and responsibilities to team members involved in service delivery. 6. Design user experience. 1. Design the user interface and interaction flow to ensure a seamless and user-friendly experience. 2. Consider usability, accessibility, and aesthetics in the design. 7. Implement technology. 1. Choose and implement appropriate tools and technologies that support the service process, such as customer relationship management, CRM, systems, communication platforms, and workflow automation tools. 8. Training and skill development. 1. Provide training to employees involved in delivering the service to ensure they understand the process, tools, and customer expectations. 2. Equip employees with the necessary skills to handle various scenarios and provide excellent customer service. 9. Monitoring and quality assurance. 1. Implement mechanisms to monitor the progress of the service process in real time. 2. Conduct quality checks and audits to ensure that the service is being delivered according to the defined standards. 10. Customer communication. Maintain clear and proactive communication with customers throughout the service process. Provide updates on the status of their requests or orders and address any concerns promptly. 11. Continuous improvement. Regularly analyze data and feedback to identify areas for improvement in the service process. Encourage a culture of innovation and continuous learning among team members. 12. Feedback collection. Gather feedback from customers after the service is delivered to understand their satisfaction level and gather insights for enhancement. 13. Data analysis and reporting. Analyze performance data and customer feedback to measure the effectiveness of the service process. Generate reports and dashboards to present the results to stakeholders. 14. Adaptation to change. Remain flexible and adaptable to changes in customer needs, technological advancements, and market trends. Update the service process as necessary to stay relevant and competitive. 15. Crisis management and contingency planning. Develop strategies to manage unexpected challenges or disruptions to the service process. Have contingency plans in place to ensure service continuity during emergencies. 16. Stakeholder collaboration. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, partners, and stakeholders to ensure a holistic approach to service design and management. Effective service process design and management require a holistic approach that considers customer needs, employee capabilities, technology, and continuous improvement. Regularly assess and refine the process to enhance customer satisfaction and drive business success.